Welcome to this lovely morning practice from this beautiful beach in Mallorca. Today in this short practice, we'll be moving with awareness, warming up the body for the day and creating more space. It was pretty cloudy that day, but I hope you can enjoy the beautiful background and enjoy every breath you take. Let's just start by closing down the eyes and taking a few deep and conscious breaths. Noticing your inner energy today and expressing gratitude and appreciation for the gift of life, for the gift of another beautiful day. With the next inhale, lift your arms up and stretch them up to the sky, interlace the fingers. Exhale and arms around. And again, inhale, arms up, stretch up. Exhale and around. Roll your shoulders back a few times and start moving your neck gently side to side. And then inviting a circular movement with your neck. Big circles. Open up. And change the direction. Feeling your neck. Feeling your upper body here. And back to center. Let's move now on hands and knees. And starting to warm up the spine through a few rounds of cat and cow. Exhale when you roll your back, look down. Inhale when you look up. Be aware of your spine and be aware of your breath. And next exhale, lifting the hips up, downward dog. Move your knees, bend one knee at a time. Stretch your legs here. Come back to straight legs. Relax the upper body. And look forward and step to the front. Inhale halfway. Exhale, releasing down. Relax all the tension from the head. Surrender down to the earth. Bend your knees and gently lifting up. Stand up straight and tall. Inhale, arms up, stretch up. Exhale and body down. Inhale halfway. Exhale, step to plank. Inhale. Exhale, lower down to chaturanga or through your knees down on your belly. Inhale up to cobra and exhale to downward dog. Relax your neck and head. Relax your body here. Again, walk your feet now to the front, halfway lift. Exhale, release down. Inhale, lift up to the sky. Exhale, hands together. Let's go for a second round, sun salutation B. Inhale in chair pose. Exhale down, straighten the legs. Inhale halfway. Exhale, step or jump to plank. Lower down to chaturanga. Inhale up to cobra, open your heart. And exhale to downward dog, relax. Bend your right knee, bring your right foot to the front. And inhale up, warrior one. Open through your chest and lift your arms up to the sky. And open now to warrior 2. Right arm stretching to the front, left arm to the back. Inhale, peaceful warrior, stretch the side body here. Exhale, elbow to the knee, side angle, open through the left. Hands back down and just bounce your hips a few times. Step to plank, lower down. Inhale up to cobra. And exhale to downward dog. Okay, let's go to the other side now. Step your left foot in between your hands and inhale up to warrior 1. Remember both hips pointing forward. Stretch your arms up to the sky and exhale, open to the side. Now left arm stretching forward. Inhale back to peaceful warrior. Stretch your side body on the left. Exhale to the front. Stretch your side body on the right. Open through your chest. Hands down and bounce your hips a few times up and down, up and down. Step to plank. Exhale down to chaturanga, lower. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward dog. Relax and release here. And a few steps to the front or jump. Inhale halfway again and exhale, release. Bend your knees and back to chair pose. Lift your arms high and hips to the back. Holding here, open. Exhale and back up. And now we're gonna open to a triangle pose. So your right foot facing forward and left foot facing to the side. Inhale, reach to the side. And exhale, left arm up, right hand down. Open here through your chest and your side body. And we'll just add a circles with your upper arm. Exhale, front. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Open up. Keep moving the shoulder. Inhale up, stay here. Stretch to the front. And now just square your hips. Hands down on the mat. And lower down to a pyramid pose. Relax, keep both of your legs straight if possible. Relax your upper body. Now with the next inhale, walk your hands more to the front and lift your back leg. Holding here in a half moon pose. Left leg off the mat. Open with your arm as well if you wanna challenge your balance. Open and breathe. Exhale, release the foot down. One more time, lift to triangle pose. And lift your arms up. Lovely. Shake your legs now, shake your arms. And let's step to the other side. So now your left foot is open to the back and right to the side. Open your arms wide, stretch your body, and then lower down. Right arm up to the sky, left arm down. Open and lift. And start with the circles. Big circles with your right arm. Follow the arm with your gaze if it feels comfortable. Open up and lift. And stretch forward and through. Holding here now. Lifting up, open through the side body. And reach the arm forward. Square your hips and move yourself down to a pyramid pose. Stay here now. Relaxing on top of your left leg. Hold here and breathe. And next inhale, lifting your right leg off the mat. Holding here, challenging your balance. And if you want, you can also lift your arm off the mat. Notice how it feels. Beautiful opening through the chest. Hold. And release the foot down. One more time, lift to triangle. And lift yourself up. Lovely. Now step your legs a little bit wider, both feet to the front, and open here. And lower down through your upper body, stretching down to the earth. Inhale, lift. Exhale, release. Inhale, straight back. Exhale, down. Stay here with your hands or your elbows on the mat. Release through your upper body. Feel the stretch in the back of your legs. Let's go to a twist. Inhale, left arm goes up, stretch up. Exhale, down. Inhale, right arm up and look up. Open the chest. Exhale, down. And slowly lift yourself up, bending the knees. And shake again. Shake any stiffness from the body. I need to shake the sand off. And we're gonna go through our last flow. Inhale, arms up to the sky. Exhale, arms around and down. Relax. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, jump or step to plank. Inhale. Exhale, lower to chaturanga. You can do a push-up in between to strengthen the upper body. 1 or 2 push-ups. And then lower down. Inhale up, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Relax and release. Notice how this feels comparing to the first one. Try to keep your legs straight. And lower down your knees, hips to the back. Inhale, arms up to the sky. And exhale, lower to child's pose. You can stay on your fingertips or just rest your hands down on the mat. Breathe deeply here. Keep your hips to the back, forehead down, and relax for the last few breaths. Let your whole body rest. Next, inhale, slowly lift up, sitting back on your heels or your glutes. Roll the shoulders back again. And inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, hands to heart. Namaste. Thank you so much for this practice, for joining me, for this short but very effective practice to help you wake up and move your body. I had to keep it short because it started raining and it was really cold our last day in Mallorca, but it was such a lovely time. If you enjoyed, please leave a comment here. Let me know how was this practice for you. Let me know if you like practicing outside as well. And I hope I'll see you soon in the next class. Namaste.